Hey guys, today we have with us to unbox and review the Ojoy A1 smartwatch. So this is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon and this is a smartwatch designed for kids. So you can see powered by Kiddo OS. The model number is A1 and A1001. It comes with 1.4-inch Full HD with Corning Gorilla Glass and 4G voltage smartwatch port. The price written on the box is 12,999, but you can get it for cheaper on flipkart.com. Links to purchase will be in the description. So design is Ojoy Technologies Private Limited, Singapore. Manufacturer is NWSG Technologies, Romeo, Chennai. For consumer complaints, you can check this out, this number. The contents of the box are one charging cable, one quick start guide, and the Ojoy A1 smartwatch. Unboxing the watch. To the top, we have the smartwatch itself. There are two colors of smartwatch that are available, which is blue color and the pink color, and we have got the blue color smartwatch. Then inside the box we get this Ojoy A1 quick start guide and a charging cable. So checking out the watch itself, you can see it's written Ojoy, and here it's written you can put the SIM card here. So here is the SIM card tray. So you just need to press this out and you can just put your SIM card inside. So you can just put one nano SIM inside. So you can see you can just put one nano SIM and that's it, you're good to go. Then here we have the speaker grill. To the back we have the charging pins. To the side we have the power button and SOS button. So let's peel off the plastic film and turn on the device. So we have to press this power button, it will get turned on. So it says Ojoy now after turning on. We also have a front camera through which you can also do video calling or take photos in case you need it. It says launcher is loading. So here's the quick start guide of the Ojoy A1 and it's written prepare SIM card. So you can see you can just put in a SIM card like this and you can charge the watch. Then we have the option through apps. You can just download the app which I have downloaded. Let me show it in a bit. Register and log in an app and bind the watch. So you need to bind the app watch with the QR code which will be shown on the watch screen. You can just bind it with your phone. Let's learn about the watch, SIM tray, speaker and power key features and SOS key features, etc. So here is the Ojoy watch app that I have installed, and here you can see some of the features here such as precise positioning. So this will show you precise positioning and intimate chat with your chatter, etc. Then we have more features, magic spool, task management, step count, etc. And just you can check out my account in the app itself. So here you can see here's the watch interface. It shows the time and date, and here we have the battery percentage. If you just click from the top, it will show you the number of steps taken or notifications, and from this side you get the settings, you get the gallery, then you have magic school, then we have the weather, then we have toolbox, contacts, step count, and then you have the settings. Let's go to settings. And here you can see the volume. So this will show the volume. So the lowest volume, a little bit higher and a more higher. So you can see it's pretty cool animation which coming up. Then we have the brightness. So it will crank up the brightness if you click this, and it will just go down. Then we have the available ringtones for the same. So you can see the speaker on the watches are quite loud. And then we have themes. So you can just select from themes: black, blue, pink. So let's check out the blue and let's go back. So you can see dial, the available dial options. So this one dial option, then we have other dial few options that you can just set. Then we have the HD voice option. So you can see you can just turn on the HD voice experience, so you will get HD voice clarity. Now you can just press this button to go back. Then and in the bottom we have about section. So here you can see you get the model number, watch, and the Android version on the watch. So when you go into gallery, you click here, it shows the available photos. So it's asking to take photos, so you can just click here and it will take a photo. It's asking to take a photo, and then you can also take video by clicking here. There is something called magic school. So if we click this, it's asking that learning Chinese, learning maths. So these are the options. If we click learning maths, will just ask geometry, etc. And it's like add and subtract, multiple division, rapid. So let's click this multiple and so it's asking 5 into 2, which is 10. Let's click it, and you can see just kind of quiz or something. So that's pretty cool. Then here we have the weather, through which you can see the weather. Here we have the toolbox. So if you go to toolbox, you can see it's written magic voice. Let's click it, and it will record your audio. Then we have task. If you are putting in a task, you can just put task. Then if you go up, you have the calendar, no daily tasks. Then we have alarm, and you can just set up an alarm like this. You can just create alarm. And then you have stopwatch. Overall, it's a pretty cool watch for your kids. So you can track your kids' location wherever they are, and you can also make a video call through them as you are putting a SIM card inside. So this will be a very good buy for your kids. It will be a very good gift for your kids, and it will be better for their safety. And you can just track your kids, and they will also learn through it. As you can see, they can just take some quiz. So guys, that was a quick video of the Ojoy A1 smartwatch unboxing and hands-on overview. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more such cool videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Trendy Blog. Also check out our website, which is www.trendyblog.net. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.